This time our Christmas crib is going to have lot of plants, live plants. So I have bought in some cactus varieties and some of the other Rio plant varieties here. Hello friends, welcome to Shalu's Artistry. In today's video we are going to see how to make a Christmas crib step by step. For the base of the crib I have taken a 3-layered teepot and a sewing machine. I have removed the upper portion on the sewing machine. And to give layers I am adding some more cardboards here and there. Our crib will go in this center portion where we have given a high raise. Followed by we need some more steps. So for that we have taken one single seater of the sofa. And wherever we are planning to give some more steps, we are going to add cardboards here and there. And Satvik is doing most of the works. He's helping me out a lot. And he's very much excited about the camera turned on. And he's so excited to be in the video. Roughly, this is how the base of our Christmas crib is going to be. It will have a lot of layers. Mostly a lot of steps here and there. And we are going to use a Christmas crib paper and cover it. Approximately we'll be in need of 5 to 6 crib papers. And this crib paper, it comes in both black color and brown color as well, but everything has the speckles over it. You'll get this crib paper mostly in the stationery or even you can get it online. How much ever we try to cover the entire crib, the crib paper, though it is sufficient, it will always have some openings here and there. So it has to be secured either with a double-sided cello tape or any normal tape that can be folded, and then you can also use staplers for that. Also, wherever you want some crushed effects, you can crush the paper or fold the paper according to your wish, and then you can staple it or use cello tape. You can also use some waste papers or newspapers for doing this. If you want some lumps or kind of a mountainous effect, you can crush papers, keep it inside, and you can cover it with crib papers. So while doing that, you will have some ups and downs, a hilly kind of an effect. We have made almost 4 to 5 cribs earlier. In all those cribs, we have used this crushed effect, but in this one, we are not using it. In the base layer, you can just tug in. You don't have to give any extra weight. Instead, you can just tug in. Here you can see the crushed effect. And tada, everything is ready. We are going to start placing our crib. Usually we keep our handmade crib. This year we are not keeping any handmade crib. We have just bought it outside. Now it's time for lights. You can use any kind of lights, and for setting the lights, the best way is to use it in the bottom, that is in the baseline. Let us use it, and over that we can put all those haze and straws. That is because those straws will cover the wire inside, and when the lights are turned on, you can see the lights alone. The wires will be invisible inside. Now it's time for the straws. I'm going to add straws in all the layers. After the straws, it is time for our plants. This is the first time I'm using live plants. I have never used live plants before. I just wanted to make some change in my crib, so I thought of adding some cactus. Mostly whatever I'm adding are cactus, 1 or 2 fern variety, Rio plants. And after keeping all the plants, we are keeping the idols. Idols, I'm just arranging it in a random order. But of course, my husband would come and change everything. So whatever you are seeing now, it is one way of arranging. You will see a different arrangement in the end. And this tree, it's a handmade tree made 3 years ago, I guess. So you would have seen it in most of my crib making videos. I'll leave the link in the description box. You can also watch how to make this Christmas tree. And when I think that the Christmas crib is completely ready, here comes my husband rearranging everything that I've arranged before. As usual, all these years, this is how it goes. He keeps rearranging things. Somehow he's not happy with how I arrange my crib. So this is the final look after all the lights are turned on, all the hangings are hung. You can see a lot of lights, idols, plants, live plants everywhere. And there are a lot of layers. And even inside the crib you can see that there are some live plants. This is the first time we are using a crib that is bought from the shop. Usually we make our own crib and then we place it. And for the past few years we have been using the same crib over and again. So I thought so boring to use the same crib over and again. We need some change. So this is what we have done this year. Merry Christmas guys. This is our crib for this year. You can also check out on all my crib making ideas, the hangings and everything that is needed for Christmas celebration. And a special thanks goes to Satvik. He helped me a lot. Without his help, it is impossible to complete this DIY crib because from the beginning till the end, he was the one who supported me. And I was not so well, so I really needed this help. Thank you, Satvik. And guys, if you like this video, do give a thumbs up to this video and share it with your friends and family who are interested in art and craft, wealth out of waste and crib making. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please do share it and subscribe. Thank you.